Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the SplitMax air conditioner is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official website, the Split Air Max conditioner is a portable wall-mounted air conditioner designed to provide both cooling and heating in basically one compact unit. So the company says it's suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, official or offices, garages, and any other indoor spaces. And it features a plug-in play basically design that doesn't require drilling or professional installation. According to the official website, the unit declares cooling and heating modes, a remote control timer that has a timer function, and a low noise design. The company also says that it's designed to be energy efficient, portable, and easy to move between rooms whenever needed. So before purchasing, take a few minutes to review the product specification and make sure that the unit offers the features that you're looking for. It's also a good idea to read the product's information carefully and do your own research so you do understand how the device is intended to be used before placing an order. According to the official instructions, you'll have to place it in your desired location and connect it to a compatible power outlet. Turn on the unit using the control panel or included remote. Select your preferred operation mode and you can adjust the temperature, fan settings, any other thing from there. The website states that the unit is designed to provide both cooling during summer and also heating during colder months or weather. So if you decide to purchase the products, you'll have to visit the official website, choose your preferred model or package, then basically add to cart, go to checkout, enter your shipping details, your payment information, and follow any on-screen instructions. But before completing your purchase, carefully review the price and shipping information, warranty, and return policy so you know exactly what you're ordering. Take a few minutes to review these details and do your own research, or doing your own research is always recommended. If you have any questions, you'll find at the bottom of the page frequently asked question page, also a contact us page to contact the official customer supports if needed, if you have any questions. And as with any home appliance, make sure basically to read the manufacturer instructions carefully, do your own research, and only purchase if you're comfortable with the products and its features. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.